I admit I've been really impressed with your work, not only with the papers that I'm marking, but how quickly you're picking up things in classroom and practicing them. So, you know, hopefully this is going to continue to grow over the next 6 weeks or so, and then you'll be laughing with a grade C. Well done. 10 marks there. 61 is good. 12 full marks for the first 2 questions. That's right, and so is that. Rotational symmetry doesn't come up very often, but basically what it's asking you is how many times can you turn that shape in a full turn and it looks exactly the same as it does there. So with this one, if you turn it once, 1/4 of a turn, it will look the same, and if you keep doing that, it will look the same in 4 different positions. So that would have a rotational symmetry of 4, whereas this one only looks the same if it goes through a half turn and is turned upside down. So that one would only look the same in 2 positions. Cylinder, cone, radius. That's a tangent. Think tangent touches, chord cuts. So a chord cuts the circle like that. This is a tangent. Oh, can't spell the thing. Tangent touches, chord cuts. Just think of my voice every time you see one of those. 5 marks. That's good. You could help yourself by putting a little box in there to show your understanding that it's perpendicular, because yours isn't quite, but it's close enough. Absolute perpendicular would be, again, line, take your ruler, line one of the plastic edge lines up, sorry, one of the middle lines up, and then your edge of your ruler is at right angles to the line. So that's what they're looking for, but yours is close enough, they would accept that. 12 cubic centimeters, good. So 4 marks there. Impossible, unlikely and even, 3 there. 7 for the page. -50, -70, that's good. £2.40. Now, I need to check the mark scheme here, because you, although your answer is right, you have written it incorrectly. Question 7. You are going to lose a mark for what you've written there. Okay, it's either 0.81 or 81p. 0.81 pence is less than 1 penny. So you're going to be penalised for that, unfortunately. So be careful with money. Okay, 8 marks for the page. She has enough money. It's a large letter, £1.90. So she's got enough money. Let's see if you have to mention which class it's being sent at. £1.90. Yes, that's fine. You get your 3 marks for that. £13.11. Well done. Hours overtime is 4. Average salary extra divided by 4. 8 marks. Good. Well done. Divide by 4, multiply by 3. Right, if you look at this one, what's happening is it's going down, and it's going down by 1, then by 3, then by 5, then by 7. So it's going down in odd numbers. So the next one will be 9, which means that one is 9, take away 9 is 0. And the next one is 11, which means that one will end up at -11. So you didn't get that, unfortunately. You got that one, and you got that. Well done. And you got 1, 2 up there as well. Those are right. Good stuff. So 4, 8, 9 marks on that page. Good. Perfect. And that is fantastic. Not many people have got that one right. Okay, these we will leave until after Easter, but it's certainly something we'll spend some time practicing. So for now, if you just take a look at the video clip of me going through it, it's not times 2878. You have to take those away to see how many units have been used. So have a look at the video clip for that one. With this one, your points are good. 28 is good. Now what they want you to do with the line of best fit is, because you've calculated the mean, they want your line of best fit to go through the point 3228. The point 3228 is there, and yours misses that, so let me just check now how fussy they are going to be. And because you haven't plotted it, you can't get that mark. So you'll get a mark for the line of best fit, but because it doesn't go through that point, you will only get 1 out of the 2. It's got positive correlation, and using your line of best fit, 22 is good. 27 inches is correct. That's Pythagoras. You may remember it from the higher tier. It's certainly something that we'll be doing when we come back after Easter. 7 for that page. Good. That's not right. Again, watch the video clip of that. Basically, you need to know the angles around the outside of a polygon add up to 360 is the key fact you need for that one. And finally, 2, 3x minus 4, 4, 7, 7, 5, 12n minus 5 is good. 2.5 is too big, 2.4 is too big, 2.3, test, that's too big, so the answer is the smaller one. Good. So 9 for that last page. So that's another strong paper, Millie. Let's see how strong it is. 12, 17, 24, 32, 43, 52, 60, 62, 69, 72, 81. Fantastic. Significantly better than you were expecting, but exactly what I was expecting. That's just how well you've come on in the last few weeks. Well done, Millie, that's fantastic.